Hi, I'm Wayne Shockey with Specialized Maintenance Awning Cleaning Service here in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. You're probably watching this video because you have an interest in awning cleaning or learning how to clean awnings. Well, if you have either one of those desires, let me know by calling me at 817-577-9454, and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Well, today I'm going to show you some of the tools and techniques we use for cleaning awnings in this short video. But once again, if you have any questions, please give me a call or contact me on my email at wayne@awningcleaningservices.com, and I'll be happy to answer your questions, or you can give me your comments. Well, let's take a look at those items. Well, here are a few of the tools we use in the awning cleaning business I'd like to point out to you. First of all, this is our handy dandy brush. This is a very soft bristled brush, and we use that for scrubbing on awnings because we hand wash every one of our awnings. This is a extension pull, and the brush screws into the extension pull to give us a longer reach. We have extension pulls that go from 2 feet to 30 feet, depending on how far we have to reach the awning. This is a device that is a trigger for a power washer. Now, we don't actually use the power washer at a very high pressure. We back the pressure off considerably. We just use it mainly to bring water to the awning so we can rinse it. This is a power washing wand, and this happens to be one about 2 feet long. This here is a homemade, or you'd say custom-made device. We attach it to a extension pole, and the extension pole has water that runs through it. And this is the business end. It's a white 3M pad that's quite soft, doesn't have very much abrasiveness, and we use that for cleaning awnings. We have one here. It's a little different color. It's red, and this one we only use in an awning that may have a very tough stain. You wouldn't want to use this on normal awnings. It's just a little too aggressive. So anyway, here are some of the basic tools for an awning cleaner. Once again, the extension pole, the soft brush. This is a very soft brush. I think it's made for car or truck cleaning. Our trigger for our power washer, our wand for the power washer, a very custom-made brush for cleaning awnings. This is just a quick look at some of the tools that we use in the awning cleaning trade. And if you have an interest in learning more about this, you can contact me at my website or by calling me 817-577-9454. Thank you, and have a great day. Well, this is a little additional video of my special parts box that I use in the awning cleaning business. I'm going to open this up, let you see some of the contents. This we're all familiar with. This is what we use to, when we have water available, we have a hose and we attach it. That allows us to spray the awnings for rinsing. Here's something that we can have a hose going in and then 4 hoses going out if we need additional water. Really is helpful. This is a water valve. I like that at the end of my hoses. On every hose I have. That way I don't have to go back and turn the spigot off and on. With my hoses out there, I have an off and on way to turn the water off and on. Here's something special. This is some 3M pad, and I have it wrapped around an extension pole end, and I kind of use this for reaching out and working on stubborn stains on the awning. I like that especially for bird dropping removal. Here's another device that can move water from one hose to two. Here's a special device. Sometimes we need to clean the awning with a little bit of power, and here's a tip for a power washer. We don't usually use this because you want to use low pressure, but occasionally you need to really reach out there with some water, and this really helps to get the water out there. You might wonder what this is. This goes to a quick connect, and we use that on the ends of our hose to quickly change between different tips. For example, here we have a nice device that we use for spraying water. That this will take a stream of water, and probably it'll go 20 feet. So if we have an awning that's real up in the air or way out there, we often use this to move the water out. You need to remember that fabric awnings are very delicate, and depending on how old they are, depends on how much stress you can put on them. The newer they are, the less sensitive they are to stress, but the older they get, they become more and more sensitive to stress. So you can over clean an awning and actually end up destroying it. So that's why proper training is important, and experience is important. When I first got in the business, I learned by sad experience what can be cleaned and what can't be cleaned. Anyway, this is a little bit of my toolbox. Also inside here, I have some rubber washers for the hose attachments, and I have a few other odds and ends. Here's one thing here that some of you may be familiar with. We call it in the business a water key, and at many commercial sites they just don't have a spigot that has a handle on it, but they just have a little nut coming out, and you use one of these ends to turn the water on and off. And they're at many commercial sites and at schools, and so that's always important to have too. Well, I hope this helps you to see what some of the tools are that I have in my special toolbox here for awning cleaning. And if you have any questions, once again, you can reach me at my website. It's www.awningcleaningservices.com, or of course you can write me at Wayne@awningcleaningservices.com. Thank you very much, and have a great day.